Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we're going to look at a service in Amazon AWS called Elastic Beanstalk. This service allows you to abstract servers out of the equation and easily deploy, run, and monitor applications. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the details of this service. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service that simplifies web application deployment, management, and scaling. Developers can focus on writing code while AWS manages the infrastructure automatically. AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies application deployment. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and its key features. Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service, PaaS, that simplifies server management by handling servers, storage, and networking. It provides an environment for quick application deployment and supports various platforms like Node.js, Python, Java, Ruby, PHP, Go, and .NET. AWS manages your application's infrastructure, including load balancing, scaling, and health monitoring, eliminating the need for manual server configuration and operating system patches. Deploying applications is easy with Elastic Beanstalk. Use the console, AWS CLI, or Git to upload your code. Elastic Beanstalk takes care of resource provisioning. Elastic Beanstalk integrates with AWS CloudWatch for monitoring application performance and health. You can set alarms to trigger notifications based on performance metrics like CPU usage, memory, and latency. Elastic Beanstalk supports both manual and automatic scaling. Automatic scaling adjusts based on traffic and resource demand, ensuring your application can handle varying workloads without manual intervention. Manual scaling allows for user intervention when needed. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies infrastructure but allows full control over AWS resources for customization. To create an application in Elastic Beanstalk, start by specifying the platform and uploading your application code in the console. Elastic Beanstalk creates an environment for your application, supporting web servers for web apps and worker environments for background jobs. AWS Elastic Beanstalk allows you to update your application by uploading new versions. It handles seamless deployment and offers rollback functionality in case of issues. Elastic Beanstalk handles provisioning and configuration by setting up resources like EC2 instances and load balancers. It also monitors application health and scales automatically based on traffic and performance. Elastic Beanstalk enables faster application deployment by eliminating the need to configure infrastructure or worry about scalability, allowing for quicker time to market. AWS offers cost-effective solutions by charging only for the resources used, such as EC2 instances and databases. Automatic scaling helps optimize costs by adjusting resources based on application needs. Elastic Beanstalk integrates seamlessly with other AWS services like Amazon RDS for databases, Amazon S3 for storage, and Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies cloud application deployment by abstracting complexity, allowing developers to focus on coding. It automatically scales applications to handle traffic changes, ensuring availability and responsiveness. Additionally, it supports multiple programming languages and frameworks, making it a versatile choice for developers. Elastic Beanstalk is versatile for various applications, including web apps, microservices, APIs, and worker applications. It simplifies deployment and management, allowing developers to focus on coding. In summary, AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies application deployment by automating infrastructure tasks like provisioning, scaling, and monitoring. This allows developers to focus on building applications. It supports both simple web apps and complex microservice architectures, providing the necessary tools and flexibility for quick and efficient deployment. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's giving you a good idea of the capabilities of Amazon Beanstalk. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon.